Today's letter of the day is K, okay? This is the best way I could figure out how to make a K, y'all. So, and my camera is flipped, all right? So just keep that in mind. Also, like I tell you guys in all of the other videos, remember to block your letters because it gives them the right form. So this K might look kind of like an H, but once you block it the way you shape a K, it'll come out looking like a K. All right, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, first thing you're going to do is chain 16, and then you're going to do a double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and in that third chain we're going to add a double crochet in there. Now we're going to double crochet all the way down our row. One double crochet in each stitch all the way down to the end. All right, so once you've chained, we're going to add a double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and that's where I'm going to put my double crochet. Now I'm going to put one double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So once I'm done with that, I will have 4 double crochet in total. Okay. Now, once you count, you should have 5 stitches left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to add all of those stitches together. We're going to double crochet all 5 of those stitches together. To do that, you're going to yarn over, go into your next stitch, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, and do the same thing. Now, once you're done with this, you will have 6 loops on your hook. That's how you know you've got all 5 of your stitches together. I have 6 loops on my hook. Now I'm going to yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the rest. All right, now you would think you would add it like this, but no. This side over here, we're going to twist it, and then we're going to count 2 stitches up. 1, 2, and this is where we're going to slip stitch to connect the top part of our K. So now we have the top part of our K completed. Now, once you do that, you're going to chain 1. You're going to turn your work and flip it. So I'm going to flip this part that I just created down, and I'm going to turn my work, okay? Now, once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. So over here, you're going to find your 3 stitches. So I'm going into this first one. I'm going to do a slip stitch. I'm going into the next one and do a slip stitch. And then I'm going to find an open space that I haven't done anything in, which is right here. And that will be my 3rd slip stitch. Okay. Now you're going to chain 9. Third chain from the hook, we're going to put a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, double crochet. Now for the next 3 stitches, we're going to put a double crochet. So in total, you will have 4 double crochets. You should have 3 chains left, and we're going to double crochet those together. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now, once you're done with this, you'll know you're done with double crocheting all of the 3 together. You will have 4 loops on your hook. I have 4 loops. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2. I have 3, yarn over, pull through all of those. Okay, now you're going to flip your whole K over, and we're going to connect this to this top part of the K that we did, okay? So we're going to count up 2 stitches, if you can see, or you can just line it up to connect wherever you would like. Chain 1, cut your yarn. Remember to weave in your ends, of course, at the end. But this is your K. This is the easiest way I could, this is the best way I could show a K, y'all. It's the best way I could show it. Once you block it, it'll look perfect, okay?